Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can easily cut or split a video on CapCut. So here I have a video with 13 seconds durations, and let's say I want to cut some part of the videos. So what you need to do is go to where you want to split the video, to the part that you want to split. Okay, for example, I want to split or cut here. So just click on the video, and then here you'll find split. Click on that, and you can see the video will be splitted like this. And if you want to delete the part that you don't want, you can just click on the video and click on delete. Okay, so you can just do the same. If you want to split again, just go to where you want to split, then click on a clip, click on split. Okay, so that's pretty easy. I hope this tutorial will be helpful. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye.